create or to invent something. Our ancestors were smart. So today you should encourage your children. Your children are smart. Only one thing, they don't have orientation. They don't have a backup. Because parents, we don't tell them. Because we don't know. So that's why I told ignorance is the cause of all evil. So that's why environmental education is necessary. That's what Pope writes in Laudato Si, chapter 6. Every school, every seminary, every institution, every political institution should educate their children in environment and ecology, ecosystem. It's a must. So that is the activity what I am doing all over the world, and the sisters were very much interested to bring this education to the children and to the teachers, this kind of awakening. So they called me. I'm really honored that I'm invited here, and your children, simply I was satisfied. They did a wonderful job. When I go from here, I go with my satisfaction. There is no doubt. And having hope, this world will be okay. Ecology will be okay. Ecosystem will be okay. Environment will be okay. So that is the part of work I am doing, Pope Francis. So we are educating most of the schools, lot of schools. We are doing this kind of work. The last category of Carolinus is the kingdom of Animalia. You know how many animals we have? 1 million. 1 million means 10 lakhs animals. So out of which we have learned to eat only 550 or 650 species of animals. That's it. 10 lakhs. What is wrong with us? Can't we domesticate wolf to be a dog? We domesticated bison to be a cow. We domesticated a buffalo, a wild buffalo, into cow. And we domesticated the wild fowl into our domesticated chicken. Why didn't you domesticate the elephant in India? These are all small, puny little things. You cut it, 5, 6 chicken. Look at an elephant. Fed the whole village, Surat. Whole Surat getting. So what I'm telling, why did we domesticate? Why?